Now, nth term of an AP. This is our next topic. Nth term of an AP. Here, this is the sequence T1, T2, T3, T4 up to Tn. This is the last term, nth term. This is called nth term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, and this is the nth term. So this is called Tn, means nth term, last term. So in this sequence, A is the first term, that is T1, and common difference is D. Means here A equal to T1, okay, and difference is T2 minus T1. So here A is the first term and D is the common difference. Then the general term, this is nth term of an AP, or it is called as general term of an AP. So general term of an AP is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the general term of an AP or nth term of an AP. So nth term of an AP is A, means here A means first term, T1 means first term, and D equal to T2 minus T1 is common difference. So in this general term, this is the nth, means nth term equal to A means first term plus n means here n and this n, both are same. If T here n equal to 12, then this n also 12. Okay, so this n and this n both are same. Then Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the common difference. Okay, so this is the general term or nth term of an AP. By this formula, we can solve exercise 3.2. So first problem is activity. So you can solve the activity, problem number 1. We solve question number 2. Decide whether following sequence is an AP. If so, find 20th term of the progression. Problem number 2, exercise number 3.2. Practice set 3.2 and question number 2, here solution. Question is that decide whether following sequence is an AP. So the given sequence is minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on. Decide whether the following sequence is an AP. If so, if this is AP, then find the 20th term of the progression. Okay. So this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth, sixth and so on. Then first we have to check, is the sequence is AP? If the sequence is an AP, then find 20th term. So first we have to find A or D. A equal to T1 equal to minus 12. Then T2 equal to minus 5. T3 equal to 2. T4 equal to 9 and so on. Then find common difference, that is the D. Means D equal to T2 minus T1. So here T2 equal to minus 5 minus T1 equal to minus 12. T2 equal to minus 5 minus, because difference, formula of difference is T2 minus T1. Okay, so here T2 is minus 5, then minus and T1 is again minus 12. So write down minus 12 is in bracket and solve this. So minus 5 minus into minus plus, minus 5 plus 12 and minus 5 plus 12 is 7. Then difference is 7. Okay, again calculate second difference, means T3 minus T2. T3 is 2 minus and T2 is minus 5. So write down minus 5 is in bracket. So solve this. 2 minus minus 5. So 2 minus into minus plus, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So here difference is 7. Here difference 7, difference 7. Okay. So if difference is same, then the given sequence is an AP. So in this sequence difference is same. So this sequence is an AP. So write down here the common difference is same. Then the given sequence, therefore the given sequence is an AP. Okay. If this is AP, this is the half problem. Okay. Our next problem is, if this is AP, then find 20th term. If this is AP, find 20th term of the progression. So find 20th term. Question is that find 20th term. Term is denoted by T, and 20th is denoted by here T20 means 20th term. So find T20. Okay, find T20. We know that our general term is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and by using this formula we can calculate T20. Okay, term is denoted by T. So here write down T20, put n equal to 20. Okay, यहाँ पर n चेंज हो गया तो यहाँ पर भी चेंज होगा. Here A equal to minus 12. Then write down here A equal to minus 12 plus T20. So n equal to 20 minus 1 into D. D is 7. D is 7. Here D is 7. Solve this. So minus 12 plus, first we have to solve bracket. 20 minus 1. 20 minus 1, 19, and 19 into 7. 19 into 7. In this equation, first solve only multiplication and then addition. Okay. Remaining term as it is. So minus 12 as it is, plus 19 into 7. (133). 9 sevens are 63. 6. 133. Minus 12 plus 133. So 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 1, 2, and here 1. So 121. So our T20. So 20th term is 121. Therefore 20th term is 121. This problem can be asked for 2 marks. The T20 equal to 121. Therefore 20th term is 121. Okay, then third problem, fourth problem. In third problem, find 24th term. Okay, same method. Again, fourth problem, find the 19th term. Same problem, same method. Fifth problem is find the 27th term of the following AP. Same method. Okay. Then sixth problem, find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Question number 6. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. How many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5? Where 3-digit natural numbers start from 100 and this number is divisible by 5. So 3-digit number are 100 up to 999. Okay. So in this sequence, how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5? Okay. Then the 3-digit natural numbers, the 3-digit natural numbers are numbers. 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 are. Okay. Then first number is 100. Then second number is 105. Then first term, second term. Then third term is 110. Then fourth term is 115, 120, and so on up to 999, but this number 999 is not divisible by 5. So take before number, and the before number is 995. This is the last number, this is the last term, okay, divisible by 5. So this is our last term, that is Tn. Last term is Tn. Okay, then this sequence is an AP. This sequence is an AP. Okay, then write down first term and common difference. Therefore, A equal to T1 equal to 100 and D equal to 105 minus 100, that is 5. This is A and that is D equal to 105 minus 100 equal to 5. Given sequence is an AP. Then find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Again, given is that A equal to 100, D equal to 5, and here given last term is already given. Then the last term is Tn equal to 995. This is the Tn, that is, this is Tn means our last term, and last term is denoted by Tn. This is the nth term. Okay, so we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn equal to 995. Put here 995 equal to A is 100 plus what is n? So n we have to find n. This is the number. Okay, then this n means 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. So this for find n. AP 100 n we have to find n minus 1 and into D is 5. Okay, so first we have to solve this bracket, means 995 equal to 100 plus 5 into n, 5n minus 5. 995 minus 100 equal to plus 5 equal to 5n. मीन्स हियर 995 माइनस 100. ओके, यहाँ पर साइन प्लस इधर आने के बाद माइनस हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर माइनस हो तो प्लस हो जाएगा. 995 माइनस 100 प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 5 है. सो सॉल्व दिस. 995 माइनस 100 and 995 plus 5, this is 1000, and 1000 minus 100, 900 equal to 5n. Side change, 5n equal to 900, and then find the value of n, 900 upon 5. So here n equal to n equal to 180. Therefore 180 numbers are divisible by 5 from 100 to 995. Okay, then how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5? Then 180 natural numbers, 180 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Three marks question. Again, ninth problem is same. In the natural numbers from 10 to 250, how many are divisible by 4? Problem number 10. In an AP, 70th term is 7 more than 10th term. Find the common difference. solution. In NAP 17th term means T17, this is the 17th term, is 7 more than, this is given. 17th term is means is equal to 7 more than 10th term. 10th term is denoted by T10 and 7 more than means plus 7. Okay, this is the equation. Okay, T17 equal to T10 plus 7, this is given. Then find the common difference. To find common difference, that is D. To find common difference D. Okay, solution, common difference D find करना है. Okay, then first we have to find T17 by using general term of an AP. Then again to find T10 by using general term of an AP. And from equation 1 and 2, both equation put in this equation T17 equal to T10 plus 7 and then find the common difference. So first we have to find T17. We know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, Tn means to find T17 here, T17 equal to A plus n equal to 17. So write down here 17 minus 1 into D. Then T17 equal to A plus 17 minus 1 is 16D. Therefore T17 equal to A plus 16D, equation number 1. Again find T10 from general term. Again we know that Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D, A plus 9D, and here T10 equal to A plus 9D, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, T17 equal to A plus 16D, T10 equal to A plus 9D. Put T17 equal to A plus 16D and put T10 equal to A plus 9D in this given equation. So T17 equal to T10 plus D, this is given. Okay, then from equation 1 and 2, T17 equal to A plus 16D and T10 equal to A plus 9D plus D. Since reason is from equation 1 and 2. Here A will get cancelled. Then 16D equal to 9D plus D. D is equal to 9D plus D, that is 10D. Okay, then एक minute. T7 equal to T10 plus D, and here write down plus 7. T10 plus 7. Sorry, T10 plus 7. A plus 9D plus 7. 9D plus 7 and 16D equal to 16D minus 9D equal to 7. 16 minus 9. 7D equal to 7 and therefore D equal to 7 upon 7, therefore D equal to 1. Here common difference is 1, therefore common difference is 1. So this is our 3.2 exercise. If you have any doubt in this exercise, please contact with me.